Nothing makes me happier than to make Dallas her treats. And today we're doing an apple, pumpkin, and oatmeal. First, I'm going to grind up the equivalent of 2 1/3 cups oat flour. You can purchase oat flour, and for this recipe, you can even use 2 1/3 cups all-purpose flour. Two and a third cups, a little extra. Okay, now we need 1 cup of finely diced apple. This is a great way to use up older apples. Dallas loves apples. What kind of dog treats do you give your pup? And I'm curious, if you're viewing this video, have you made dog treats for your puppy before, or are you a first-time dog treat baker? I'm trying to get my apples finely diced. Dallas's treats are a bit smaller depending on your dog size and your cookie cutter. You can dice your apple accordingly. And if you don't have a cookie cutter, and I'll mention this again, I hope, I'll try to remember, but if you don't have a cookie cutter, you can always roll this dough out and cut it in little squares. Looks like 1 small apple is going to make a cup. All right, there we have 1 cup of finely diced apple. I'm gonna add that to my flour mixture. Okay, I added our apples. I had a camera glitch. I've added an egg, missed that part. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 cup of pumpkin. Pumpkin is really good for puppies who have sensitive stomachs, Dallas being one. So if she's ever having any issues, she gets a little bit in her food. So we're gonna mix this all up. I'm also gonna add 1/2 cup of water. Make sure that egg is mixed in really well. All right, let's roll it out and get our baking sheets ready. Is it good? That was delicious. You want another one? I think they're a winner. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help Dallas stay in treats. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.